I just woke up now and decided to come the side. Today they're going to do tiles, right? And I had requested Gucci they should start this side because so I just need to move these things and then try to sweep the floor because it is very muddy and dusty. And I did my salon keychains. You know, this is my beauty room, my beauty studio, my salon, whatever you call it. So I did keychains, 2 of them. This is my logo for my business, and behind it's this image of mine, right? And then it's not the same size, the other one is small. On the small one I have this image of mine, CEO Energy, did it myself, this whole thing. So I took my picture and just edited on top of it. And then on this side it's my favorite Bible verse that motivates me. I don't know if you can see, but it is Job 8 verse 7, and it says, and though you start with little, you will end with more. I think I've mentioned this on one of my updates. Yo is in Jazalana. On one of my updates with him, you are living someone's dream and someone is living your dream. So, and I've always advocated for starting with what you have. Those who know, those who've been my clients, they know Ubuti. I have started this business 2 years ago and I didn't know Ubuti it'll go this far because the way I started it, I didn't plan to start it. It was a thing of Ubuti. I'll get up. Magnet angwas I can only do myself, and then they will tell me, no, you practice with me, whatever, and then it started like that. And thanks to Ubusi, because if it wasn't for her, I wouldn't have like explored my greatness or my talent or whatever the case may be. Because now I'm also doing makeup, and all because Ubusi, guys. Like, I'm funjongash makeup installation. She's the first person who forced me to do her. Ngafuni athi uzopractice ngam. Mangithi angazi athi practice ngam. When I'm always kuzenza do my face, and I'll forever be grateful for her. Basically the verse, it's like you start with little and you end with more. I didn't know which one things of really studio because forced good singing, but yeah, here we are. Let's get working because I'm working from home and I have a work meeting in like 50 minutes, if not 40. So let me move these things here and let's get going. My battery is flicking, so I need to go charge a bit. Actually, I've been procrastinating a battery so that I can swap, but I need to charge my battery. And I'll show you guys, I think, my hands are once they're done. Hi sweeties, I'm literally on the floor and in my studio. As not finished, so I just finished cleaning and all that. I got this caddy from Pep, the famous caddy. Those who don't know, goodbye to this. Hello to this. So hi sweeties, I am very tired, hence my voice is sounding like this. I just came back from the Johannesburg CBD and I came back with a couch that we're going to, I don't know why does it look small then, that we're going to, I want to sneeze, that we're going to unplastic. So I got a couch for my studio. Let's consume. I want to show you something. Let me take out this. As you can see right now, my things are on top of a door. This is a door, and that is a school desk. Ne? Yeah, this is my setup right now. I just need to fix. And the only reason I'm showing you that is that you start with what you have, you work with what you have until you get what you want. So this is just proof. You don't just start with everything say right. You start somewhere and you gradually have something, which is what I've been preaching on my vlogs. So let's unplastic this couch. When I have mirrors and the chairs that I need to buy, I need this couch to be here or there. But for now, there is nothing. I don't know if I should keep it there or I should move it here. Let's move it the way I initially wanted to be. So I'm currently seated on the couch. This is the position that makes sense for now. This is a 2-seater couch. I don't need more than that. So yeah, I'm really happy with the couch. But one thing I've noticed that this is a sitting couch. You can't really sleep or rest because of the space that is here. But I'm really, really, really happy about it. With gold hardware. Love it so much. I'm very tired. I need to rest. Hi sweeties. I'm so excited, but I'm always excited when I see progress in what I have started and when I see what's the sex of pen. It's a bit messy, but let me show you. So the tiling, it's done. Not really 100% done, but this part right here, it is done. So short that up end. I'm going to donate anything and up end. No, but hey, can you? Bathroom, it's not tiled, but the toilet is working. As you can see, la akufani nala, simply because we had to. What's going on here? How did I? So they had to dig again and put this pipe this way because of that. You see at the back, so my dad was like, see, the pipe be coming from. I don't know why I'm laughing. I'm so stupid. This pipe was coming from underground like that. So my dad was like, no, we need to change it because I don't want to cut this thing, the cupboard, whatever. And they also had to, you see, there was, so this tap was this side and there was no space near the shower, all that. So he had to move this to this side, take this pipe is then last shower like that, and yeah, so what needs to happen is that we need to we need to tile. I think they're done here. I need to confirm with my dad so that they can tile here, and then they can also faga, shower, whatever that needs to happen. I love the lighting here. This will be my best place ever. That's that. Here I don't have any updates with regards to this. Let's move on to studio some. So this side we have progress. if my clients come here, I would usually take an extension, connect endlini because there's no electricity connection, and some of my clients leave late around 8, meaning window yasendlini is not closed because ngifake any extension. So my dad was like, no honey, kuyaphela lokho. Now he had connected ugesi for me. We have, he also installed this. Remember when I bought this? There it is. Nice, right? And then couch, did I show you? Yes, we have a couch. We have a couch now. If I didn't show you, now you know we have a couch. And then connected, but I don't like the way it's sitting, and my wall is dirty now because of all these admin, this admin. And then my favorite plug, it's also dirty, but I love those for this part, the USB part. See, you can insert your USB. Some clients come with in tambo the cord and not come with the, so meaning there is no more what you call, no more extension. Sisakhanyisa yakakhanya ama-plug ngingakatest but ngizowa-testa manje. So yeah, hello. So I'll see you when there is another update. And I've decided that I want to go to the mall. I'm correct, I'm getting stressed, so I'm taking you guys with somebody. Hi sweeties, we are done with the structure. The only thing is the hiccups that are with regards to the plumbing. So this side bend, but yeah, we'll speak about that. So what is currently happening is, when it comes to plumbing, there was a mistake. I don't know what to call it, but let me show you so that you understand with me. This here was not here, and that. So this is basically my shower. Oh, perfect. I haven't been in this shower before. So apparently, my pipe ayavula. So what they need to do is, I don't know if you can see them. Uguthi lapha la ihlapukile, right? Meaning there's an issue. So they need to buy new pipes, and I'm glad this is done by my dad, because if it was someone else, it was gonna be an issue. So we can't really rush or anything. Okay, yes, we need to rush because if we got the part, otherwise it's not really like a big deal if it was someone else from outside. So we need to get new pipes. That area until where it connects, then bafaka ama pipe amasha kahle, and then bafaka ama tiles the side. Then with tiles we are done. We have bought paint, it just needs to be delivered. We're changing the color of the entire space, so outside especially. So outside change color, the walls change up. Then this side sizopenda when the paint comes in. That other pink room, we need a proper coat, last coat that is washable, because the one that we currently have is not washable. So we just need that coat of paint. I've read the comments and y'all are asking me to do like the breakdown of the cost and basically interested guma cost. Yes, I will do that. The thing is, I don't know how to structure the video, but I will think about it. I know most importantly abantu bayafuna ukwazi ukuthi when it comes to structure, how much you had spent, meaning from foundation to having all the walls and the roof, how much you had spent. So I'm planning to include everything till now. And another update that I have, I think it's in another room. So I bought a blind for this window. We have been operating without a window, without a curtain or a blind. The thing is, and then after when they're done, then they paint. What else? Electricity, I need them to connect to that other room. That other room is literally like lacking, but yeah, I need connection of electricity to that other room. That will be sorted very soon, hopefully, and that's my dad's duty. So yeah, Ngiyanibonga for 1,000 sweeties. Ngiyabonga. Yeah, it's not easy, but we are here. So I'll see you guys on my next update.